guys and welcome to the Fast. Today we are at Volkswagen M, the Koning in Capelle aan de Ijssel. And today we are going to drive this really nice Volkswagen ID4 GTX. So as you can see in stunning red, this ID4 has 299 brake horsepower with two motors, one on the front and one on the back of the car. So this is the back of the GTX with the GTX logo and of course the new tail light design of Volkswagen. So today we are going to make a POV video for you guys as if you're driving this 2021 ID4 GTX yourself. So guys, we are in the interior of the ID4 GTX and of course we have Volkswagen's beautiful new design, so the new steering wheel, the new infotainment system, and this is a really nice interior. It's a lot different than, for example, a Volkswagen Golf. So this is the 0 to 100 in the 2021 Volkswagen ID4 GTX. So this GTX version is the sportier version of the already quick ID4. So this particular car has two motors, so one in the front and one in the back. Combined, they produce a power output of 299 brake horsepower and a torque of around 500 Newton meters. So the 0 to 100 of this car should be around 5.8 seconds. And I think we are going to test that out later on if we have this car for a 0 to 100 test with the GPS draggy system. So in terms of the handling, this car is a little bit stiffer than the normal ID4. And well, it's by no means a sporty drive. I mean, this is still an SUV, of course. So the suspension and the damping is pretty soft. It copes with these bumps pretty well, actually. So this car has the 78 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which will give you sufficient range for around 400 kilometers. So right now it is a winter day in the Netherlands and it is showing me 300 kilometers of range in real life. But we already drove some kilometers. So 400 should be easily manageable. So in a few seconds we have a couple of twisties which we can use to test the handling of the ID4 GTX, as this is the sportier version, of course. So the pickup is actually really great. How does it go with cornering? So the steering feel as well is pretty comfort. This is all based on a comfy drive rather than a harsh sporty drive. I think this is what the ID4 GTX combines. So it has the sporty power, so the 299 brake horsepower combined, yeah, with some decent comfort. There we have Robin. So guys, thank you for watching this POV video of the all-new ID4 GTX. So this car is both comfortable and pretty quick, especially for a real big size SUV. So guys, thanks for watching. We are going to make a review of this car. And of course we already made a video of the ID5, which you can find here. So guys, thanks for watching and see you guys next video. Hey, e-tron. Ciao.